Understanding time left. A simple breakdown. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the phrase, time left. If you've ever been curious about what this means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Time left is a simple phrase made up of two words. 1. Time, which refers to the indefinite continued progress of existence, events, etc., in the past, present, or future. 2. Left. In this context, it's used as a past participle of the verb leave, which means remaining or yet to be used or done. When combined, time left refers to the duration that remains in a particular activity or event. Understanding is best with examples. Let's see how time left can be used. 1. During an exam, you have 30 minutes time left to complete the test. 2. Watching a movie, there's only 20 minutes time left until the movie ends. 3. In a game, hurry up. There's not much time left to finish this level. In all these scenarios, time left is pointing towards the remaining duration. It's always great to know alternative ways to convey the same idea. Here are some synonyms or similar phrases for time left. 1. Remaining time. 2. Time to go. 3. Time outstanding. These can be used interchangeably based on the context. There you have it. The phrase, time left, simply refers to the amount of time that remains in a particular situation. Whether you're taking an exam, watching a movie, or playing a game, it's a handy phrase to know. We hope this explanation helps you in your English language journey. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.